Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Reporter plugin from RedmineUP onto a virtual image Bitnami Redmine. In our case, we are going to use the VirtualBox as a software. However, you are free to use any other software for virtualization that you like. It could be VMware or anything else. It is up to you. Okay, so we see that we have now installed Bitnami Redmine 511 stable, and let's start it. Here we have to wait a couple of seconds for the Bitnami Redmine to start. Okay, here it is. So we log into our backend via the default credentials that are Bitnami. And here we see that our Redmine is located onto this address. However, we could double check it with the command hostname I. So it is confirmed. Let's go and see if this is correct. Here we have to wait a couple of seconds, also because Redmine needs some time to start. Because it is starting just now, it needs time to load its processes. Okay, so here it is. We see that we are already logged in as a user, which is actually this one. This is the front-end Redmine profile, which is the default one, user with this password. Of course, you can change it anytime afterward, but I'm using the default ones for easier understanding for you. Okay, so if we go to administration here and then information, we see a list of already installed plugins. At the end of this video, we are going to have the Reporter plugin installed. Alright, let's go back to our command line. Now we have to move to folder opt Bitnami Redmine plugins, and if we list them, we see these plugins here from the front-end Redmine into the back-end console here. Okay, so we are going to use the wget to download the very latest Reporter plugin version. Also, there is another way. If you wish, you could click on Machine and then File Manager, and then onto the left here you can see your personal computer already logged in. This is the host machine, and if you would like to log in here via the credentials here, you can log into your guest machine, which is the virtual machine or the Bitnami Redmine, and then you can easily transfer and copy the file via this arrow here. Also, there are other ways of file sharing. However, it is up to you which one you can get. You can choose. In my case, I'm going to use the wget. Okay, so I got my link, and here it is, wget, and it is pointing to the Reporter plugin latest version, that by now it is 204. So I click enter, and it is successfully saved and downloaded. If you would like to double check, then you can list your files and we can see the zip file that we have just downloaded here. Okay, now we have to unzip it via the unzip command. And now we need to remove this zip file because we are no longer needing it. And if we list again, we see our Reporter plugin here. Okay, now we have to go one step back to the core Redmine folder and then run the bundle install. It is going to install all the needed gems for your Reporter plugin. The next command is the migration command. It is going to install all the database tables and migrate them actually. So it is done via the bundle exec rake Redmine plugins, and the name of the plugin itself that we are going to migrate, which in our case is Redmine Reporter, and the environment, which in our case is production. So we click enter and the migration is going to just start in a couple of seconds. Okay, here it is. These rows here are showing you that the migration has successfully finished. Okay, and the very last step that we need to do is to restart everything via the command sudo opt bitnami control script restart. Okay, the other method of this thing is to just power off your virtual machine from here and then power on again, but with this command it is just faster. Okay, so let's go to the browser again and just to refresh to see what is happening. It needs some time as well because Redmine loads the processes, actually reloads because it is restarting. And okay, here it is. The Reporter plugin is successfully installed onto Redmine 5.11 stable Bitnami Redmine virtual image on VirtualBox. So, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.